They say practice makes perfect, but blind practice is just a waste of time. To actually improve, you need to iterate. I am a software engineer, and when I find a bug in my code, I isolate a section and test it until it breaks. Today, I'm doing the same with my art. I'm drawing 100 torsos to debug my anatomy skills. Here is the data of 100 iterations. For the first 25 sketches, I set strict constraints. No muscles, no details. Just boxes for the ribcage and pelvis, connected by a spine. My main takeaway here was conceptual. The upper box is not the ribcage itself, it's the bounding box, reserving the space the body occupies in 3D. I focused entirely on perspective and direction. If the pose didn't read clearly as boxes, adding muscles later wouldn't fix it. The biggest error I found in my logic? Spacing. I consistently messed up the width and the height for some boxes. Phase 2. I converted the rigid boxes into rounded volumes. I connected the shapes with outlines and added cross contours. This is where the drawing starts to feel solid. However, this revealed a consistent error. I was still struggling to size the boxes relative to each other. Also, a lot of my contour lines felt like guessing rather than understanding the form. Phase 3. Major muscle masses only. Pecs, abs as a single block, obliques, lats and traps. Adding muscles immediately adds believability, but it also increases complexity. Bending poses became instantly way harder to draw. I realized that my foundational perspective from phase 1 was still the root cause of my issues here. If the box is wrong, the muscle placement is also wrong. For the final batch, I was going for speed and repetition. 10 reference sketches with a 3-minute timer each, followed by 10 drawings from imagination. I started here at 71 instead of 75, which means apparently I can't even count. And as a result, I actually did 30 sketches instead of the intended 25. My imagination sketches had flaws, but the structure held up, and I think most of them turned out quite good. For the last 10, drawing smaller forced me to stop obsessing over precision. The result was I got faster, and the torsos still looked believable. Drawing 100 torsos didn't make me a master, but it gave me a data set. I now know exactly how to construct a torso using this 2-box method. And I'm breaking down this exact method, the rules, the ratios, how to connect the boxes, in my next video. See you there and keep drawing.